So in today's video, I want to show you exactly how much YouTube paid me for creating videos for a whole year during 2020. I started the year with 5,000 subscribers and ended it with 50,000 subscribers. So it's like, you know, from 5 to 50,000 subscribers. How much did YouTube pay me? Yo, Karla Fletta. My name is Arnaldur and I'm a photographer and a video creator from Iceland. So as always, you know, I promise total transparency. And before I show you the numbers, or the number, then I little bit want to talk about how the YouTube payment system works. If you already know or you've seen one of these videos from me before, because I usually like to explain that, then you can, jump around and leave timestamps. Also, if you're just here to see exactly a number, jump to this minute right here. I'm not here to waste your time, so just, just have a good time with me. So, the way the YouTube ad revenue, like the payment system works, is all based on, the ads shown. So basically you don't get paid for the subscribers, but the views. More importantly, you get paid for the ads that are shown. And it's really all about the CPM, which stands for cost per mille, or in human language, cost per thousands of views shown. So you get paid certain amount of money for per thousand of ads shown to the audience. How much you get paid for those 1,000 ads really depends on so many factors. Depending on what niche you're in, some niches the CPM is much higher. For instance, I know that business channel, finance channel, and like real estate channel, their CPM can easily be over $10 per thousands of views shown, which is ridiculous. And then that gaming channel only get around $1. So it's very, it fluctuates a lot. But if you think about it, this is an auction-based market. So advertisers are really, bidding to get in front of those viewers. And for advertisers, some viewers are just worth more. In some subjects, in some niches, there is more money. So eventually, the ads will be, cost a lot more. Another thing that also affects is like, where are your views coming from? If it comes from countries that have strong economy where everything is more expensive, naturally the ads will be more expensive there too, resulting in a higher CPM for the creator. Vice versa, if they come from, countries with weaker economies, then the ads there are more inexpensive. They're cheaper there. So you're going to get less if most of your views are coming there. Now, these are the most important factors in deciding your CPM. And now it's all about, the cost per mille. Also, if you create videos that are more than 8 minutes, you can put extra ads on. I warn you though, that don't go bananas here, because remember that you are annoying the people watching you by putting a whole lot of ads. I think it's totally okay to put one ad here and one ad there. People are watching these videos for free, and us creators, we need to get paid somehow. And this is a nice little way, because you only click a button, and you get paid. But do it in super much moderation. Anyways, now that that is out of the way, let's take a look at how much YouTube paid me for creating videos for this entire year, the 2020. So if you open up here, you can say that my revenue for 2020 was estimated revenue is $9,060.30. $13. Sometimes speaking English can be hard here. And this is how much YouTube paid me for 2020. As I said, I started the year with 5,000 subscribers, and you can see here that my playback CPM is $11.04, but this is only showing, my playback CPM, because not all views are monetized. Some people have ad blockers, some, views don't show ads, and you only get paid, for the ads shown. So here you can see my true CPM. This is the CPM I get for all of the views, okay? And that's $3.43 I earned per 1,000 of views during last year. Now, one thing that I think you'll probably appreciate is if we click here and see more, and take a look how it has built up during the year, the revenue. So in January, I had $268.56 I earned in, during that month. And then you can also see estimated playback CPM, and blah, blah, blah. Bunch of things there that you can dive into. And then you can see how it slowly builds up until, in September. Here I had 2 videos that were, to me, viral, and some other people's standards maybe not viral. I had a video that got 200,000 views, and another video that had 60,000 views. And then I naturally got more money there. Then in October and November, it dropped a little bit. I was making way less videos there. I was moving studio, I had a baby, so I was not able to create as many videos. And then in December, I was creating a course with Domestika on TikTok. I think if you want to grow on TikTok, you should consider taking the course, plugging myself a little bit. I leave in the link down below. So then also, because it was so much work during, September, October, November, and December, I was not able to produce as many videos. But anyways, here you can see how the ad revenue has grown as my channel has grown, which I think is super motivating to me and just interesting to see that in general. Now, is there anything more that might be interesting also when we're talking about, the money? Yes, one thing I think is fun to look at also is how many views did I get during this year. Now we see that I had $9,000 for 2020, but how many views did I bring in during, this year? And where do we see this? Let me see. Here. So in overview, and 2020, I got 2.6 million views. And 2.6 million views paid me this much here. And you can see that I've grown the channel from 5,000 like it was to 50,000. So yeah, I mean, I'm just extremely thankful for, I put in a whole lot of work. This has been almost 5 years in the making, and this year, as I broke down in my video they made, that dropped the last day of the year, then it's been a journey coming to this place, but now I can proudly say that this is my job. Now, as I've talked about before, I have a few different income streams, and if you want to make a living creating YouTube videos, you need to diversify. You need to create a few different income streams, especially when you're a small creator, because we cannot just rely on ad revenue, because it isn't really a whole lot. You've seen, to get less than $10,000, you need to pull in a few million views, and a few million views is a whole lot of views. Also, on top of this, I live in a country with high taxes. I pay around 50% taxes on this. Now, it's not like everybody's paying 50% taxes. I'm my own business, so there are income taxes and there are salary taxes. And because my company is paying me money, then I pay, my company pays salary taxes, and salary taxes basically just taxes government take for insurance and all that stuff for the employer, and I'm my own employer for my company. And then there are 30-something% taxes, income taxes where I live. Now, before you, my American friends there, get all angry and start to threaten me, saying they are stealing from you, just know that, I'm totally okay with high taxes. I live in a society where healthcare is free, university is free for everybody, okay? So it doesn't matter if you are born in a poor conditions or very rich conditions, you still have opportunity to go to school. Also, the student loans, if you do good, you get a discount, so you don't pay everything back. And there are so much more, I just like a kid, the parental leave here, for both of us, is almost 2 years paid, and it's based on your salary, and you get paid. It's not like the company pays us, the government pays, the parental leave, and it's for almost 500 days, that me and my partner get together, which is ridiculous. I also know that the paid vacation here is around 6-7 weeks, and there is so much. And I of course understand that this is not free. You already paid with this for your taxes, but it makes the society as a whole very equal, because more people get opportunity to do cool things, and I like that. I'm totally cool with that, So now, this was a little bit political, but I noticed when I've talked a little bit about tax system here that my American friends can get a little bit angry, and I just wanted to clear the waters a little bit. Anyways, thank you so much. This was how much I earned during 2020, and 2021 is a year that I'm looking so much forward to. It is already 2021. It's I'm filming this in the 3rd. I'm batch filming a whole lot of videos right now because I'm going to Iceland next week, and I want to have 10-15 videos just so I can edit and keep them coming, Because as I've established and talked about in other videos, consistency is the key in order to grow on any social media. Here on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, wherever you're creating video, consistency is the key. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, that's what I usually say. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to ask in comments down below. If you could smack that like button for me, it really helps me out. Consider subscribing because, I create bunch of videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.